beautiful people, I'm back again. Is your one and only Katarina Godi Baby TV. If you know you are new to my channel, don't fail to hit that red subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Anytime I upload any video or I drop any video, you will be the first to be notified. I bet my people, I don't come back again. If you know say you dey new to my channel, don't fail to hit that button when you dey there and turn that bell on. Anytime when I upload any video or I drop any video, you go be the first person when they will say I don't drop again. And if you have already subscribed to this my YouTube channel, thank you and God bless you for being the part of my family. And if you are still there, you are still watching, you have not yet subscribed, thank you and God bless you too. So today I don't come back again, and I come back for good. Last week I post video when I talk about side chick, housewife, big side chick for supermarket. So this week I can see the girl come back. Now let she come back, can say now the girl be this one, now the girl be this one. So look the picture why they show you, not look my hair, look the picture. So the girl can come back and say now prank. Hey, are you kidding me? Like seriously, are you saying prank? My sister, may we still dey hide our shame. Okay? May we still dey hide our shame. We be guess. May we dey hide our shame. You don't wrong. You don't wrong. You don't say all over the world. Don't know say that one not be prank. Prank now. Wait maybe you do the thing finish. They call it and say, oh, see camera for this side though. This thing a prank. Oh, see camera. Everybody go say, this one go. This supermarket people say they go. They laugh. Oh, these people just try. These people just pull our leg. Nothing like that. Even person girl like you, they even the video you, they go outside, they call you all manner of name. You not talk like seriously. Then you end the video, you don't reach about a week when the video they trend. You go your friends come beg you, your friend come tell you say go beg this woman. What if they do so not good though? Now you hide, you go beg the woman, say, may the woman talk say you go leave your husband, but make you just come and go tell public say na prank. Like seriously, even if me Katarina look like JJC for you, you believe saying everybody wey dey media be like JJC. I be just talk this thing before I just dey against that woman, but my sister, side chick, you won't cut off the worst part. You say, may they leave side chick alone. Now, may they dress, may women they dress. Like, seriously? Now, because say your aunt persistent like that, if you don't born one, born two, nana, my sister, your body go tell you. What did that woman they pass through? Put your body for her shoe. You will know what they pass through. So then this woman they cry for the supermarket. Say they never eat. Her husband not they mind her again. Then you come they say. Like what? Like seriously? My people, may I still drop the video again? Whether this kind of video resemble prank, make I drop the video again. Mona see ya. Now the video be this one.
What do you think to my husband? What do you think you have? I don't have things in my house. Respond to me and talk to me like an human being. With respect. You know how much I've suffered in my home?
Come and be going your own.
Let's come back here. I said, come back here. Please,
Leave her, madam, now. Leave her, go your own.
Please answer me. What do you think
So
you
where
have?
you be going?
Now the video
now.
that one.
So
that video,
what do you think you have?
Be going. Get there, you
What do
see
you
yourself
think you have?
on this
What do you think you have? Answer me. You even have my house sex with my husband.
They go tell you say this video. Hey, camera for them. They go. You know they say how they do prank. You they say a person wife go call they cry say they never eat and his children never eat.
What do you
Then you
think
walk
you
out
have?
and
You will not go. Be going. Be going. Be running. Leave a letter for sure.
It dey your day, dey your blood. Every day another woman.
Just madam, announce that.
You see this? What make me go back to this girl now? Now this video dey see because tomorrow
I won't get.
this woman dey also.
Oh yeah, madam.
Comot cloth.
Wow, who say?
Then tomorrow night.
Shameless girl. Shameless goat. Someone's husband, you need a shame. Announce sex. Announce sex. Wait, the people shameless. Shame on
You
you.
don't go bed.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
Come and say,
Shameless animal. Shame. Someone's husband, you should be ashamed of yourself.
Leave her husband.
I'm so ashamed of
Say no
you.
problem, I go leave your husband, but make her you go tell the public say na prank. My sister, hide your shame. Hide your shame. Mona leave Percy husband alone. Hide your shame. May you leave Percy husband alone. Now my message to you. So for this video now, the other video, I won't drop on after this my topic. I go drop on. I won't tell you, una will be marriage man. If una no say cheating dey una dey end. Mona yo dey flirt, mona not marry. Mona not go put person. Put for house finish. The person go dey bear, they follow una they cheat, they go. But you una take spend time with una wife. Una they use until they spend with another person. Then later I'll come reach now say after all person. You go the worst part of it, if you see the woman when be say take cheat on his wife, you know school be an necessary. You know the girl self not be necessary because it's necessary good. You know. Okporoko when it don't dry. And so the girl be. Why his wife could be school bian when be say big school bian when be say he know himself, he sweet finish. He can't go use this okporoko, can't go cheat on his wife. Better meat, can't go use and cheat on his wife. If you was the men when be say they cheat, they are the end. If you go test and are cheating. If you carry their blood, go test for lab, now cheating dey their blood. If una no say una want just dey cheat, mona dey cheat. Mona just dey cheat, mona not marry. Mona not marry. You fit just get baby. If you time reach say you don't dey hold body not be body again, you pack all your children put for one place. If na sales girl, you put them, make they care for the children. After all, you get your money. Now say you go put one innocent woman where good day on the own. You say, I want you to be my apple. I want to take you to the altar. But at the end of the day, you can't cheat. They carry all manner of on any when not even reach your wife for house. So I just can't deliberate on this girl when not hide her shame. For the one way day, he can't come and say na prank. So now person can send me this video. I be done rest, so I can say make I still carry this video come out because tomorrow go reach. This one go say come and say na prank. When they don't even come out on this everything. Tomorrow will come reach now. That one will come and say na prank. You know say na that supermarket save you that day. Maybe that your mouth will tell the toss when are they dressed for na husband. When are they say chicken low. Search sugar daddy day your DN. Go test your blood. All those kind of girls now go be say they will do the hold or now they'll call the buy ring go the treat the engaged girl for train station for New Benin markets. Go the engage girl boy for New Benin market. If na Lagos they will go the engage her for Alaba market. Then the boy go they run up and down. Then they say, is a prank. Which prank? That one resemble prank. When she not even look camera, when be say the girl they pursue you, they curse you. You know the shame. You know the open. Mona that video Mona look now. That kind of video resemble prank. Now shame you take come off for them. Even when the woman draw you for the first time. If now a prank, you know see clothes where you wear be almost come out. Say now prank. Don't go beg the woman when you will say, I don't beg the woman, don't leave your husband. Your shame, you not let you hide down for his house. You can't come and cause in a prank. So that is it. So I know the quarrel with you. For that woman when you go beg, say, may you tell say na prank. If the woman follow you, come and tell you say na prank, tell us say na prank. We go still here, not be say only you want your pass back and say na prank. Person wey review video, you not even follow you come. People wey be say no, you not go talk for the supermarket. You can't pass back and say na prank. My sister, hide your shame. Hide your shame. Leave the woman, your husband, leave her alone. You hear? Leave her alone. Make the woman enjoy your husband, because not be tell you say make you dey use screen say dey breach. May you not go settle down with your own husband. They find people husband wey you all friends after you say na prank. Make prank your mouth. So una not vex, because I just dey vex, because a lot of people dey this life wey they don't use as they don't make mistake, wey they go amend their mistake, they want make they come dey twist am for people. So all those kind of people, they see that they wrong. All those kind of people wey be say they not get shame, because this one not get shame. When she go hide that shame, they say na prank. So my people, I want to go. I will be dropping this little video, the other video, so that you can watch what housewife did to side chick again. So this one is not this one tomorrow. This one will not come and tell you that it's prank. You will not believe. So if you know you are new to my channel, don't fail to hit that red subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Anytime I upload any video, you will be the first to be notified. My name is Katarina Golden Baby TV. If you like what I'm doing, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share this video. Let it get to that girl like the way you guys did. I want to say thank you to the people who drop a comment. I want to say thank you for those who really watch this video. I see this video, a lot of people view this video, it's going to more than 800 people, but still keep on sharing it. Thank you very much. I want to say thank you. Bye bye for now till I come your way again.